Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Blackshark V2. This prevents shorts and preserves settings. Once done, remove ear pads gently and inspect visible screws and connector tabs so you know what to open. Make sure to keep screws organized. Use a tray or tape to record order. You'll need only a small Phillips or Torx T5 and a spudger. This prep saves time and prevents lost parts, so work deliberately and confirm each step before proceeding. With the cups open, you'll visually inspect ribbon cables and solder joints where the headphone jack and mic connect. Loose ribbons often cause audio dropouts. Once open, gently reseat connectors and apply slight pressure to test stability. If solder looks cracked, note the joint and plan a reflow or touch-up. You should also use a multimeter to test continuity on the mic and driver lines. This confirms whether the fault is cable-related or component level, so you know whether to replace parts or just reconnect. After repairing or reseating parts, reassemble the headset in reverse order and ensure ribbons sit flat in their channels. A tucked cable prevents future pinching. Tighten screws until snug but avoid stripping plastic. Over-tightening causes cracks. Once reassembled, connect to a PC or phone and run a sound and mic test. Check stereo balance and inline controls. If audio still fails, try a known good cable or USB dongle first. If that fixes it, the cable was the culprit rather than internal electronics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.